Morning students. Today we are going to discuss combination. Students, in this section we shall discuss the problems of selecting the certain things, taking particular numbers of the thing at a time. So here I am giving you one of the example of the combination. If we have to select three person A, B and C, if we have to make a team of two person, then there will be the different three ways. From the three person we have to form one of the team. Then there are the three ways. Number one is AB, then AC, then BC. Now students, it is not important there, that is we will not take care, we will here order is not important. If we consider the order, then it will become a permutation. So this is combination students. With the help of the combination we can make three teams here. So students, remember this combination we represent it by NCR, and always remember this NCR is equal to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. The proof, this is a theorem actually students, and its proof is not in your syllabus. Just you have to keep in your mind that NCR, that is equal to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. There are some very important points are there that you have to keep in your mind. While r is equal to n, then students it will come as NCN, and it is now n factorial upon n factorial. Now n minus n, this will come as equal to 0 factorial, and I have told you students 0 factorial is always equal to 1, n factorial will cancel out, it will come as equal to 1. Second one is, always remember student this NC0, that is always equal to 1. Now I want to tell you how it will come as equal to 1, because this will come as n factorial upon, this is r factorial means 0 factorial here, this is n minus 0 factorial, or student it will come as equal to, this is also equal to 1. Means you have to keep in your mind that NCN, that is also equal to 1, and NC, this is NC0, that is also equal to 1 here students, right? Here is while we having NC n minus r, then remember student it will come as n factorial upon n minus r factorial into n minus n plus r factorial, and you know it will cancel out. This is now n factorial upon n minus r factorial, and this is r factorial, and you know it will once again, this will come as equal to NCR here students. So this is very important, you have to keep in your mind. Next is then students, while NCA, that is equal to NCB, or this implies that either A is equal to B, or this A plus B, then remember students this N is equal to A plus B here. This N is equal to A plus B. We will use this property also in our question, in the exercise question. So let us come students, we will discuss some exercise question of exercise 7.4. Here is your exercise 7.4. Its question number 1 is NC8, this is equal to NC2. Then our question is find this NC2 there. So remember student here which one, the last property that I have told you, we will make the use of the last property to solve this question. I have told you in the solution either that is I have told you that is A is equal to B, or this A plus B that is equal to N. It means, student, this N that will come as equal to A plus B, that is 8 plus 2 that is equal to 10. So what we can say? We can say that here we will put the value of N, that is 10 C2, or student it will come as equal to 10 factorial upon 2 factorial into 10 minus 2 factorial. It will come as 10 into 9 into 8 factorial upon 2 into 1, and this will come as 8 factorial here, students. It will cancel out. 2 5s are 10, and it will come as equal to 45. And this 45 will be your answer, students, for this question. Let us come with question number 2. In the question number 2, students, we have to determine N. If the question is this 2N C3 ratio N C2 that is equal to 12:1. Now, student, we have to solve this question by using combination. So what you will say? You will say that it will come as 2n factorial upon 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial upon, this is, students, n factorial upon 2 factorial and into n minus 2 factorial. This is equal to 12 here, that is 12 upon 1. Now, students, what you will do? This is 2n, this is 2n minus 3, so we can write it as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 factorial upon 3 into 2 into 1 into 2n minus 3 factorial upon, this can be written as n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial upon 2 factorial is 2 into 1 into n minus 2 factorial.